Hello, friends. If we are working in Excel all the day, it is very, very important to work efficiently. And to work efficiently, we should know the shortcuts commands. If you know the shortcut commands, you will save a lot of your time while working on Excel. So today we are going to learn 10 important shortcuts which will help you to save a lot of your time while working on Excel. So let us go ahead and learn the first shortcut. The first shortcut is for filters. How to put the filters? The shortcut is Alt D F F. Now you can see here the first row is a header row, and you can see the filter has been put. If I want to see any data, then I can see over here by filtering the data. So the shortcut is Alt D F F. Let us go ahead and learn the second shortcut to freeze the pane. Freeze pane means what? If I scroll the data down, my header goes up. If I want to freeze the header, what I will do, I will freeze the panes. To do that, I will select the second row to freeze the first row, and I will use the shortcut Alt WFF. Alt WFF. If I scroll down, you can see the panes are freeze. To remove that, again I will use the shortcut Alt WFF. If I want to freeze the first column and first row together, I will put my cursor, I will put my cell in B2, and then I will put the shortcut Alt WFF, which is the shortcut for freeze pane. The first row is freezed as well as first column is also freezed. The third shortcut is remove duplicates. So these are 1002 names. If I want to see if there is any duplicate, I want to remove that. I will select the column and I will use the shortcut called Alt AM. Alt AM, I will get this window, and then I will say OK to this. Delete the duplicates. It says 12 duplicates were found and 989 unique records. So the shortcut for remove duplicates is Alt AM. Next is find and replace. So this is the data. I want to find something and replace it by something else. Suppose this is a February. I want to replace this February wherever it is appearing in the data by March. So I will copy this, or I can write this. Then I will select the data. Then Control H is find and replace. Control H is find and replace. What I want to find? I want to find February. What I want to replace with? March. And then say replace all. All done. 5 replacements are done. So all Februarys are being replaced by March. So the shortcut is Control H. So let us go ahead and learn the next shortcut, that is pivot table. How to put the pivot table? I have created a separate video on that. But to put the pivot table, the shortcut is Alt DP. Alt DP. Then this window appears. I will say next, and then say next, and then finish. This will it will create a second tab or the worksheet in which I can create my pivot table. The next is merge and center. Suppose you have some header and you want the header for two rows, the same header that you want. Suppose here we have currency and currency code, but I want only one header with the name currency details. So I will delete these two headers first, and I want to merge these two cells and put one header only. So I will select both the cells and do Alt HMC, merge and center, Alt HMC. So these two cells are being merged now, and then I will write what I want to write here as a header, currency details. So for both of these columns, this is the header, currency detail, in one cell only. So merge and center, Alt HMC. Insert row and column. This is the data. Suppose I want to insert a row over here, just above this row. So I will select the row. So select the row and then control plus sign. Control plus, which is appearing on the right hand side near the number sign, the plus sign that you need to use. If you are using a laptop, use control shift and plus. So control plus will insert the row. First I need to select the row and then control plus. If I want to insert the column, suppose I want to insert the column before this column, I will select the column first and then say control plus. Control plus is to add the row and add the column, but we need to select the column first or row first. The next shortcut that we are going to learn is copy down or right. Suppose this is the city and I want to copy this city name to all the blank cells here. So I will select from New York till all the blank cells. This is control, this is down. I want to copy the down. So I will use the shortcut Control D. Control D to copy down. Here again, I will use the shortcut Control D to copy down. And suppose I want to fill this column with this data, which is on the left hand side of this column, and I want to paste it on the right hand side. So instead of copy and pasting, I will just select these two columns wherever I want to paste this data from left to right, Control R, Control R. Next is conditional formatting. Suppose I want to do some conditional formatting for this data. The shortcut for that is conditional formatting means a particular cell will be highlighted. So I will select this particular column and I want to highlight certain cells, top 10 sets for example. So I want to do the conditional formatting. The shortcut for that is Alt O D. Conditional formatting, Alt O D. Alt O D, this window appears where I can create the rule for current selection, new rule. I want to highlight top or bottom rank. I want to highlight top 10. I will use some formatting here. In the green, I want to highlight and then say OK, then say apply, and all the green cells are top 10 cells. These are the top 10 from all these values. So I hope you have learned some good shortcuts today, and it will be very, very useful for you to save your time while working on Excel. So all the best guys, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Share this video so that it will be useful for others as well. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.